Today, I'm speaking with Brian Amthor, Director of Marketing at Amthor International, about recent trends and developments in the tank industry. What changes have you observed in the tank industry lately, and how is Amthor responding and adapting to those changes?
One thing with Amthor International is that we serve in the tank market 15 different segments: vacuum, portable restroom, propane. We actually sell products for that sector of the tank market as an overall. One thing is that many of them intertwine with each other as far as when one product's up and one product's down. And that's one thing that's helped us over the years be successful. And what many manufacturers need to realize is the key word is diversity. You've got to be diverse in this market. So many companies out there only focus on one or two products. And when that product's down, they don't have anything else to kind of take it up. Fortunately with us is, with the 15 different product lines that we have, if one or two products are down due to some economic conditions, chances are another one on the other end is going to pick it back up. Maybe not to the level that the original one was at, but it does help pick it up and does help our bottom line. In addition to being diverse, we can meet numerous different needs and the demands of many customers throughout the different industries that we serve, being able to tailor the products to their specific needs, because the market stays are changing. And where 20 years ago you can maybe get by with the cookie cutter type product, today the way buying trends are changing, the next generations are coming up, they're different than it was years ago. Today it's more tailored products, more made for just the customer, and you got to be able to do those. If you don't be able to be diverse and be able to be open to many new ways of manufacturing and meeting the demands of these customers, you're not going to go anywhere. And I feel truly over the years that has been our really key to our success, and being open to new trends and listening to people talk and going to the trade shows and really listening to everything that surrounds our market, because somehow it's going to affect one of our markets, and it's good to keep your ears open, nose to the grindstone, and figure out what's going on out there in our markets.
What steps do you take to ensure quality and reliability in every Amthor product?
We feel that we go above and beyond every product we manufacture. Every product that we have has to meet certain federal guidelines. Each of our products exceeds those guidelines. You have a lot of mom and pops, a lot of owner-operators, no matter what we do. They want to be happy with the product that they purchase, and they want to have something that's ergonomically safe, that's easy to work with. We hope that we do that. Throughout our whole production process, there's many stages of production depending on the product line that we're talking about. Some have more than others, but internally there is a huge checklist that for every stage of production that the product must go through a severe testing procedure before it goes on to the next step. And if it fails, it's stopped, the error is fixed before it goes on to the next stage. So therefore, by the time the cell production process is done, it's went through so many checks and balances and different QC processes, because we want to make sure that the customer and the product is 100% durable, reliable, that leaves our factory. Every product that leaves our factory has our family name on it. We have something personal to us because every tank is called an Amthor tank. So we want to make sure that when a customer buys the Amthor tank that they're getting quality product, that they know that will last them for years and years.
You recently partnered with UD Trucks North America to create a tank program for the refined fuel, propane, vacuum septic, and related tank industries. What was the impetus behind this partnership, and what new possibilities does it offer for Amthor?
I feel that Amthor International is probably the most aggressive and forward-looking company in our market. We're always looking out there for what's next, how the industry is going to change, and where are we going to be when these changes happen. It's important that we stay a step ahead of everybody else. A couple of years ago, we formed a partnership with Amthor International Trucks for a tank program. And since then, we've also formed partnerships with Hino Trucks, which is a division of Toyota, and UD Trucks North America, which is a division of Mack Volvo, used to be part of Nissan. The reason why we form these partnerships is our industry is unique. It's not like retail type store, gas station type distribution channel. We have to have brick and mortar special type distributors that are trained into mounting these products and mounting them correctly and servicing them correctly and things like that. The next generation is not going into this market as far as the middleman, really building up having these distribution channels. So the current distributors have been distributors for years. A lot of them are great companies, but there's no younger blood coming in, and there's no succession planning. So by us seeing the writing on the wall, 10 to 15 years, a lot of these distribution channels, the middlemen, are going to be gone. Therefore, that's really going to affect us because we're going to lose our sales team out in the field, domestically and internationally. So we decided to form partnerships with these large chassis companies and work with every one of their dealers throughout North America. Now, for ease of convenience, for one-stop shopping, they can walk into these dealerships, let's say an international dealership in Boise, Idaho, and buy an Amthor tank, sometimes already on the lot ready to go, on the back of the truck. They can get financed, they get service at the dealership for the chassis and the tank, and they can buy parts for the chassis and the tank all on one spot. So that allows us over 1,000 to 1,100 additional distributors and dealers throughout the country. If you figure each one of those locations has an average of 3-4 salespersons per location, that will give us 4,000 or so extra people out there pushing our product when the word comes up. We still have some great factory dealer and master distributors throughout the U.S., which do an excellent job for us. We feel this is really the way to go down the road. People want convenience today. They want to go to one spot and get it done, deal with one person. So we feel this is really the trend where things are going, and we need to be forward-looking and really stay a step ahead of everybody else.
Thanks so much for speaking with us today, Brian. For more information about the products and services that Amthor offers, visit www.amthorinternational.com.